To say I'm tired is an understatement. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I was not planning on vlogging today. It's already almost 1 o'clock, but I don't know, I missed you guys and I feel like vlogging. I have quite a few things that I need to do housework wise, and you're gonna laugh when you see like my bathroom. Blake accidentally spilled baking soda all over the bathroom. It was in there for cleaning purposes and she spilled it, so I have to vacuum that. I decided to put laundry away and my phone is going crazy. I have a whole hamper of laundry to put away. Exhibit A. I have a ton of clean clothes in the dryer that I have to also put away. I am stripping the bed and remaking the bed. Today is Olivia's birthday. She's 7. Olivia May is 7 years old. If you are an OG follower of mine, comment below if you've been around since her birth, because you are an OG. And oh my gosh, the sun is the sun is coming in on my window. Can you see that dust on my hand? I need to dust these blinds. Oh my gosh. What? That's gonna be for another day because I'm too tired and I have to pick up the kids at 3 o'clock. So that's gonna be another day. I missed you guys and I just wanted to chat and thought if you need some cleaning motivation and you don't feel like napping and you need some, you just need motivation to get off your butt and do some stuff, let me be that for you. So I'm going to change the bed sheets and put my spring comforter on the bed even though it's currently flurrying right now. So, and it's cold, it's -4 today, which I hate, but let's get going. So this is my winter cover on my duvet and I'm going to change it to the spring one, which is in the girls' closet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So this is the new one. My mom got it for me at Christmas. So it's just like a nice white, and then these little stripes through it are so soft. If it looks like it has a pinky tinge, it's because I accidentally washed some red face cloths that I also got for Christmas in with this, and it just made it a little bit on the blush pinky side. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I had to laugh. But anyways, let's get this on here and finish making the bed. Okay, that looks so much better and more spring-like. I should also mention my mom got us a new duvet for Christmas. That was our Christmas present, was the duvet with this cover. Because you guys know a good quality duvet is not cheap. So that was our Christmas present. And this thing, like, I have to kick the blankets off at night. And I'm usually freezing at night. And a few times a night I'm kicking the blankets off. So it's a really thick, super warm down, duck down or goose down filled, I think it's duck down, duvet. So anyways, let me show you the bathroom. Oh, and I also have my Costco order coming shortly. I wanted to show you guys, if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you would have seen my reel, but okay, so 90% of my wardrobe is H&M, like 90%, and Aerie. Aerie, I only shop at if they have sales because they're dang expensive, but last, I think, fall, I bought a ton of summer stuff on sale from them. And then it's Winners or Marshalls, and I hadn't been to Winners and Marshalls in so long. Something told me to go yesterday, so I listened and I got this pretty Easter dress. I thought it was so cute. I love the color, and this was by the brand Japsa? I don't know, I can't say that, but I got this dress. I also got this navy button-down t-shirt. It is so incredibly soft. And I wanted like more casual throw-on t-shirts and stuff like that for the summer. So I got this one, and I think it was like, I don't know, Winners is so cheap. It was like $24.99, which I guess is a lot for a t-shirt, but it's a really good quality material. And this one was my favorite. This was 15 bucks. It's by Kyodan. I don't know. It's a butter yellow, kind of like spandexy soft material t-shirt, and it has the ribbing here. I thought it's perfect for working out or to throw on with some shorts, jean shorts in the summer. I love it so much. If I can't find a hanger, I swear. And last but not least, I got this dress. I thought it was so pretty and it fits me perfectly. It's a little booby, but whatever. You gotta flaunt it, am I right? But I thought it was really pretty. So look at the bust. So it's like cinched in at the waist. It has these pretty like daisies on it. And there's like the really pretty sleeve. And it's just a maxi, so I thought that was cute. I love Winners. I need to vacuum. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, baking soda. She accidentally spilt it. She meant to pick it up, and where else? I don't know, there's just little bits of baking soda on the floor in here, so I need to vacuum that. I'm also just gonna do a little wipe down of the sinks, and I want to get all this baking soda off. I feel like with kids, there's a puppy dog here. I can always be cleaning this area. Side note, I bit the bullet and I purchased the Thayer's Milky Toner. This is fantastic. It's at Walmart. I don't remember how much I paid Canadian. I want to say it was under 20 bucks for sure. And you get a huge bottle and you don't need very much. So I apply this before I put my makeup on. And then I have texture issues, and I always have with my skin. So I got these, there we go. Thayer's, sorry, that's French, exfoliating 2% AHA pads, and this has witch hazel. I want to say this again was also under 20 bucks, and you get, how many do you get? 60 toning pads. My skin is like a baby's butt. When I wake up, I use it morning and night, and it's made such a difference with my skin. Like any of the little bumps, like under the skin bumps, have improved so much, and they're like, my skin's like a baby's butt. So I highly recommend these, and they're so affordable, and they're at Walmart, so you're welcome. Okay, that is much better. And I did vacuum, my slipper's just under there. I did vacuum the bedrooms. I'm gonna take this empty hamper downstairs and fill it with the stuff in the dryer, fold it, and hopefully bring it back up, or I'll just sit like a lump on the couch because I'm exhausted. Costco just arrived. I can do a little haul for you guys. I got some bubblies. These are our favorite drinks. I don't do Alani's or anything like that. I honestly don't like energy drinks very much. It's just personal preference. But these we like, and they're safe for the kids to have too, so we always stock up on that. Plus the girls, Olivia and Reese's family birthday parties this weekend, so we need drinks. I'm gonna get this into the kitchen and then I'll show you the haul. Okay, so the first thing I got that I'm eating right now are these choco fruit. In Canada, we only get these dinky little bags because everything's better in the US. Just infuriating. Yet our groceries are way more expensive, which is so stupid. Anyway, they're so good. 4 of them are 100 calories. So if you're just sitting there and you're like popping one after the next, it will add up real fast. I'm gonna put these away, but this is a mummy treat. These That's It probiotic fruit bars, they really like those. I go through a lot of tomatoes, whether I'm making them in pasta or having them in my salad or in sandwiches. So I've got another thing of tomatoes. Let's garbage. I got a big thing of organic Greek yogurt, the Kirkland brand, because the kids like yogurt treats a lot, and I'll put like granola, maple syrup to sweeten it, and some fruit, and they love it. The kids also love these almond flour crackers. They're everybody's favorite. Colin likes them, the dog likes them. Yeah, they're just a favorite. I thought I would try these Kirkland grass-fed beef sticks because I've heard good things. I'm actually gonna have one now. Each one's 110 calories and 10 grams of protein. I got a big thing of lactose-free cheese just for like kids' lunches, sandwiches, that sort of thing. I got some rice ramen noodles. I really like these because they're gluten-free. They're 8 grams of protein per cake. And it's millet and brown rice, so it's just like a healthier option. And I got a big pack of eggs because we go through eggs like crazy. The girls love these Healthy Choice Greek yogurt bars. They're 100 calories per bar. Again, that's French. And they're a source of calcium. They're super delicious. Like, I love these too. So I got those for the girls. And a 3-pack of cucumber. Let's just get this out of here. 2 things of the Queen of Greens lettuce, because I have a lot of sandwiches and we make salads and stuff like that. Big old thing of Honeycrisp apples. My kids love apple and cheese for a snack. I have fresh blueberries because we go through a lot of fruit. Fresh raspberries. I got a big thing of these Kashi bars. There's the honey oat flax and the chocolate chip. You guys know I'm very particular about things that I buy for my kids, and I don't usually buy things with like a sunflower oil or canola oil. However, I can't bake 24/7. I literally, that's all I would be doing, and I do bake a lot for my kids. If they get something like this that has canola oil, which this does, it A, is not all the time, and B, like 90% of their diet is relatively clean. So I need to give myself a little bit of grace here and there and be like, not be fear-mongering and like, you know, they will survive. Obviously, if you're constantly feeding them processed stuff and they don't get any fresh foods or healthier options, then that's a problem. But my kids eat very clean and healthy, and I make sure of that. So I thought, you know, once in a while to have one of these will be okay. I got a big old thing of clementines. I got a huge pack, I'm gonna have to freeze some of this, of zucchini because I make these zucchini and spinach dark chocolate muffins that my kids love, and they have no idea that they have spinach, banana, and zucchini in them. So I will show that recipe in another vlog. And we are out of ground beef because we just used up, we usually get a quarter cow and we used up all the ground beef. So I bought these lean ground beef organic Fontaine Farms pack of beef, and that is my entire haul plus the bubbly drinks. And now I'm gonna put all this away. Everything cleaned up and put away with the exception of like the fruit. I have nowhere to put it right now. I usually have it in this fruit thing, but it's full. Excuse me. I have the hiccups because I ate a beef stick and it, I don't know. I have the hiccups. With the exception of the bubbly, I have to put that away when I get back, but I have to go pick up the kids from school, but at least everything is nice and put away. Birthday girl. Hi. We're opening her mini. Okay, one sec. We're opening Olivia's mini brands and figuring out how to put them together. Where's the, but look how cute. For her Barbies, they're mini berries, like strawberries and blueberries. Okay. They're so cute. Okay, so I need to do the chicken nuggets right now. And these are the easiest. Ooh, chicken juice. It grosses me out. These are the easiest healthy baked chicken fingers ever. So first thing we're gonna do is cut the chicken breast into little chunks so that they're like little nuggets. Livy, my hands are covered in chicken, sweetie. I can't help you right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is add a big chunk of mayo to the dish. I would do enough to cover all of the chicken, so I don't know, like quarter cup. And then you just want to mix the mayo into the chicken. I know it looks gross, but trust me, it is delicious. Where's my, okay. So then we're gonna season it. We're gonna add salt. Oh, thanks, babe. And pepper.
That's okay.
We're gonna add onion powder,
I call it a capsule. Drink.
garlic powder,
Okay, for the next capsule, let's see.
and paprika.
Now you have
Then we're gonna add some Italian breadcrumbs
Where's the instructions?
until they're coated.
Mom, this has.
So I have my dish, we're gonna spray it with spray. And then we're gonna put
it's supposed to go in the box.
the chicken pieces in the baking dish like so.
Mom.
Yeah, babe. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and then I'm just gonna spray the top with oil, and that should help it crisp up. And then we're gonna put this in the oven at 425 until it's cooked through. We are going for ice cream. Who's excited?
Me.
For Olivia's.
Am I gonna make 4 hours?
You can. For Olivia's birthday, because we make cupcakes, but we just finished dinner, and this guy thought it was a good idea to go for ice cream. So we're just good. We have a McDonald's around the corner from our house, so we're just getting
Dad,
McFlurries and vanilla swirly ice cream.
That's not
Oreo, Smartie, and Daddy and I got vanilla.